How to post on Bluesky. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps. And on today's video, we will see how we can post on Bluesky. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, launch the Bluesky application and log into your account if you have not logged in yet. Once you have logged in, you will get to your home page. Now, in order to post on Bluesky, navigate to the bottom right corner. There is this small blue icon or button. All you have to do is tap on it. Now, you will land on this page where you can create any post in your account. Here, you can type in the message or your status in order to post in your account. If you would like to add any picture, there you'll have this picture icon in your interface. You can simply tap on it, allow the permission, and then you can upload any picture from your gallery. And once you're done adding your picture or your text or your message, simply tap on post from the top right corner, and then this will be posted in your Bluesky account. So that's how you can post on Bluesky, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.